Hey guys, so we're finally going to do an unboxing video of my Canarm twister that I got a few weeks ago. So yeah, let's get started. I already got the top, so here are the blades. The blades are white to bleached oak. So yeah, and yeah. Here are the instructions here. Take a look at that after. And here is the mounting bracket. So yeah, I'm hoping this will be able to mount to up here on that box. But we'll see. If not, I will just floor test this fan. And here are the screws, yeah, and stuff. Got our stuff which goes between the blades and motor. Got all the stuff right there. Let's take a look inside now. So yeah, I was watching Fans Buses Gaming unboxing video of this fan just to get an idea of what I will expect with mine. Yeah, so pretty much the same stuff. This is the motor housing. Put it there. That's the globe for the light kit. Let's see, the globe. Actually, I'll just put it like this. Here's the motor. Now, I know the motor is heavy, because in his unboxing video, the motor was heavy. Let's feel it. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. But I guess we'll just place it right here. And here's the light bulb. It comes with a A19 LED non-dimmable bulb. Okay. That's the kind of bulb his came with. And last but not least, the blade brackets. And that is all. So, yeah. That's the Canarm twister, 30-inch. So, yeah. There's nothing else there, nothing at the bottom. So, yeah, I will test this fan. I'll either test it up on the box here if the mounting bracket can fit on it, or I'll just do a floor test of it. So anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned.